This is a demonstration of adding a inventory item from the stock in your truck to a work order that you're working on. You're going to go into the appointment list, choose the work order that you're already on. This one's already in process. I've already been working on it. I'm going to slide across. You can see on the top the status is in process. When you're in process, you can add your part, no problem. Slide over to the details section right here. So when you're in your details, you're going to hit the plus button, and that's going to add a selection there. You're going to choose the add new for adding a part. You're going to hit the plus button. You're going to put your Acumatica part code in there under inventory ID section. If you don't have the inventory part code, which should be printed on the box in your truck stock in your van, you will need to search for item descriptions, but most of the time hopefully you have the proper Acumatica number and you don't have to base it on a description or a title search. So choose your part number, hit the lookup glass or the enter button. That's going to choose a part number, which is this time clock. You can choose the quantity of your time clock. Use 2, use 1, or if it's refrigerant you've chosen, put 45.4 for the quantity and 45 for, I can't type, for the actual quantity of refrigerant used. If that's how you're adding refrigerant. Obviously this is not a refrigerant code, so this is not going to work, so I'll put this back to 1 and 1. So it's 1 time clock. The next part that you're going to have to change is the warehouse. This section right here, it defaults to the Burlington warehouse right now. This part you're going to have to change every time you add a part. We're working on streamlining this to where it will work with individual technicians, but right here you're going to want to put your truck number here under warehouse, and the location also will be your truck number. So just choose this section right here. On the top, type in your truck number, hit enter, choose your truck, the location automatically populates, and then you save the part, or update and then save. And that adds the part to the work order properly. If you have the old part code, you can actually still use it if you have the old Nealon's part code on there. The process is the same. You go to the inventory item, type in the old part code. The thing is, you cannot use the search lookup for this old part code. You have to use the enter key right from your keyboard to enter that direct number, and once you do that, it will find the corresponding Acumatica number, which is 3134 for the green lead sensor. And same thing, you type in your truck code, choose it, update, and save, and that adds the part to your work order properly.